Hey, what's going on? Joe here with Metro Design. How you doing today? So, today I'm going to show you 3 things you can do to boost your online presence, get you higher ranking on Google, and in return start bringing in those leads, right? Those clicks to your website so you can start building out your awesome business, right? Reaching those 2021 goals. Cool. So, first things first, Google loves content, all right? Content is king when it comes to Google. They're looking for 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. Okay, and obviously very few people are going to read 2,000 words, right? But Google will, and they will know that you are the subject matter expert compared to somebody that, only has, does that make sense? So when we scroll, okay, so we went ahead and counted all of those for you, and you're looking at about 370 words on your home page. Okay, so I definitely recommend boosting that up to that 1,500 word goal. I also recommend throwing in keywords. Okay, keywords are what people are searching for in your area, right? If they're typing on Google, they're typing in keywords for your services. Okay, once you start ranking for certain keywords, you're going to start bringing in a lot of leads. Okay, if you're ranking for that keyword, so I definitely recommend 15 keywords if you're going to do 1,500 words on your homepage. Makes sense? Another thing Google looks for when ranking websites is the more pages you have, the better. Okay, and you're doing really good with how many pages you have, right? So good work there. A lot of people don't have it like that, right? A lot of people just have one service page with all their services on there. But you have it split up, so that's awesome, right? Big built out website, good work there. As far as content on your back pages though, right? Google still loves content for 500 to 700 words. Okay, you're doing about the same, about 300 words on your back pages. So I definitely recommend boosting that up to reach the goal that Google wants to see. Okay, and if we come over here, look here, right? You can see site as well, right? You're actually beating him with how many pages you have on your website, right? So Google has on his back pages. You guys are pretty much even, okay? And as far as how many words are on his homepage, you guys are pretty much even, okay? We're trying to blow him out of the water in every area we can, so Google favors us in every area, okay? So once again, I definitely recommend boosting your content up to 1,500 words on your home page. And then for each of your back pages services, I recommend doing that 500 to 700 word goal. Okay, knock this guy out of the park so Google has no other option but to favor your website. All right. Today about is going to be citations. Okay. Citations are your business name, address, and phone number on different websites, right? The more you have, it's going to be a lot easier for Google to rank you in the map pack, okay? There's only 3 spots in the map pack, so you're going to want to get to the map pack, right? Because then you're going to start bringing in a lot more leads that way as well, okay? So get into the map pack, you're going to need citations, okay? You're going to need, pictures, reviews, a business description of 500 words plus, right? There's so much more to getting into the map pack. But today we're going to talk about citations, right? So number 1 competitor in your area has 40 citations, right? So 40 different websites have his business name, address, and phone number. Okay. This is the tool we use, all right? You can come in here and you can find the exact ones here, okay? And then go type your information in. Right? Boom. You got 40. Once again, though, we're not trying to be even. We're trying to blow them out of the water. So I recommend going out there and getting, 80, 90 citations. All right? As far as the other things that I mentioned before that'll help you get into the map pack, we can talk about that more in depth later on if you would like. But moving forward to backlinks. Okay? Backlinks are super important. All right? This is what ranks your website to the top of Google. And if you have good quality backlinks, this is what's going to help you rank to the top even faster. Okay, so backlinks is basically like a popularity contest. All right, you want to go out there and get good, credible links from other websites, so that those credible links push back to your website. Okay, so Google looks at this as the more credible links you have pointing back to your website, the more credible your website is. Does that make sense? So you want to go out there and get good quality backlinks. You don't want to go out there and get, a link from, Pizza Hut, okay? Because Google knows the difference between good quality and not good quality, and they're going to dock you points, okay? So go out there, spend a little extra time getting those backlinks, and in return, it's going to boost your website to the top a lot faster. So as you can see, 3 credible websites that are pushing back to his website. Okay, so that's giving him power, credibility, power every month. Okay, so you need to do this every month. Make sure you're getting those good quality website links every month. Okay, if you do not, it's going to fall back off your website. And you're going to have to restart over. So, good quality backlinks, and then do this every month. Right, those are the 2 things we want to keep in mind ranking for. Right, 265 keywords, which is quite a bit. Right. Not every keyword is created equal. Some have higher search volumes, right, and some have higher keyword difficulty. Okay, so that means it's going to be a lot harder to rank for on your website. Okay, so that's all I really wanted to show you today. I hope you liked the video. I hope you found it informative. All right, go ahead and reach back out to me if you would like. If you want to try to do this yourself, go right ahead. No harm, no foul. If you would like some more help from us, go ahead and reach back out. We'd be more than happy to help with you. If you have any, feedback, we love feedback as well. So once again, thanks for